Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Tyler Tolbert, owner of Smile Now Dental Group. If you're missing a tooth or have one that's damaged beyond repair, you're probably wondering, how much does a tooth implant cost? More specifically, what's the price without insurance? Well, you're not alone. One of the most searched dental questions out there is single tooth implant costs without insurance. In this video, I'm going to break down the average cost of a tooth implant, what influences pricing, and how we make single tooth implants affordable and accessible even without insurance, right here at Smile Now. So first off, what's included in a single tooth implant? Let's start by making sure we're on the same page. When we talk about the cost of a tooth implant, it typically includes three parts. One, the implant post. This is the titanium screw that's actually placed into the jawbone. Two, the abutment. This connects the implant to the crown. And three, the crown. This is the one we all know about. This is the visible part of the tooth, and it's custom designed to match your smile. At Smile Now, we bundle all three of those things into one transparent price, so there are no surprises or hidden add-ons later. What is the average cost of a tooth implant without insurance? So, how much does a tooth implant cost? Here's the national picture. The average cost of a tooth implant in the United States is typically between $4,000 and $6,000. That's per tooth. That number often doesn't include consultations, imaging, or follow-up visits. And if you go to a clinic that outsources all of their lab work, the final bill can climb even higher. At Smile Now Dental Group, our single tooth implant cost without insurance is $2,999. Now that includes the implant, the abutment, and the custom crown. All of the necessary scans and follow-ups that go along with that process are included. It's a complete package with no surprise fees. You may have seen prices all over the map. So what causes those differences? Here are the key factors that influence the cost of a tooth implant. Experience of the provider. A skilled implant dentist may charge more, but you're also paying for long-term success. Location. Major cities tend to have higher prices due to overhead and demand. Lab work. Offices that send work out to third-party labs often have longer turnaround times and higher costs. Sedation options. Some clinics include sedation in their prices. Others will charge separately. Materials used. Higher end materials like zirconia or porcelain can raise the final price. That's why it's so important to ask not just what's the price, but what's included. Here's how we keep your costs down without cutting corners. First, we do in-house procedures. We handle everything from start to finish. That's your imaging, your surgery, your design, and the placement of the implants. This allows us to reduce time, cost, potential mistakes, and we pass those benefits on to you. No third-party labs. Our on-site digital lab produces your custom crown quickly and precisely. Free consultation. You'll get a full exam, digital imaging, and a personalized treatment plan at no cost. Transparent pricing. One price, no hidden fees. You'll know exactly what you're paying for. Flexible financing. We work with trusted third-party lenders to help you spread out the cost and low monthly payments even without insurance. It's all part of our commitment to making high-quality care accessible without surprises. Is it worth the investment? If you've been putting off treatment because of the cost, I get it. But here's the reality. Leaving a gap in your smile can lead to shifting teeth, bone loss, jaw joint issues, changes in your bite and your face shape, and more expensive problems down the line. A single tooth implant is a one-time investment that gives you full chewing power, a natural looking smile, long-term stability, and confidence and peace of mind. And unlike bridges or partials, implants don't damage your surrounding teeth. When placed by an expert and properly maintained, dental implants can last decades, oftentimes for life. So while the cost of a tooth implant might seem high up front, it's one of the most valuable and durable solutions in modern dentistry. So if you're ready to fix a missing tooth or want to know exactly what a single tooth implant will cost for your case, let's talk. Just click the link in the description to schedule your free consultation with us at Smile Now Dental Group. We'll answer your questions, walk you through your options, and create a plan that fits your smile and your budget. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.